Stay tuned with the whole video, guys. I have something incredible in last. Look her reaction after she crashed his bike.
Oh shit! You okay? Are you okay? Yeah. It's okay. Are you okay?
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Baby, it's okay. Stop crying. No, it's okay. It's fine. It's okay. Just relax. 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 I just want to make sure you're okay. Are you okay? Do you hurt at all? That was a freaking cool move, dude. Can you stand up? Here, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. As long as you're okay, it's fine. Baby, it's okay. Hey.
That was like the first thing I hit.
That's what we got a helmet for.
It was so scary.
I know. But you're okay. You're okay.
It was so scary.
Okay. I don't care about the bike. The bike is fine.
Good step by the rider. Your loved ones are more important than your motorcycle. She's riding for first time, and now watch what happens.
Your left foot. That was your right foot. I mean, yeah, screw it. It doesn't matter. All right. We're going to start the catenator up. Here she goes. Here she goes. She's going. She's going. She's, oh my God, she's doing it. She's doing it. She's crazy. Ho, ho, ho. She's stopping. She's stopping. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Whoa. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Come on. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Catenator's down. You alright? Yeah.
Dude. Are you sure?
Yeah.
It looked like it fell on your leg.
No, I'm good.
Seriously.
I'm fine. I think I just need to take a breather for a second.
Dude.
This video is for those who think women can't ride a motorcycle.
Get a little bit. Get a little. Dree, come on. Let go of the clutch a little. You got it. Easy. Oh, you stalled it.
I'm sorry.
Because you let go of the clutch all the way. So now. There you go.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you ready? Don't let go of the clutch completely. Get a feel for it. Yep. There you go. Don't worry about the gas.
What are you talking about?
There you go. You're doing it. You're doing it. You're doing it. So far, so good. Relax. Give it a little bit of gas. Just a little. It's slow. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. And if you want to stop, you hold the clutch and the brake. All right?
Okay.
You're good. You give it a little gas. Oh, she's doing it. She's doing it. You did it. How does that feel?
That was fun.
Yeah, this is good for a beginner.
It's like easy to get used to, right?
Yeah.
I'm proud of you.
Watch why. She wants him to watch her.
I want the compression brake just because I like the way my bike sounds. But traditionally, when you're braking, you want that compression braking because it slows the bike down and you're saving your brakes. So you'll learn that later. That's not something you need to learn now. That's what you probably are used to me doing. So you're probably like,
That's why.
there we go. I was a lot smoother.
Just delete the Tinder. This is how you can impress a girl by a motorcycle.
Nice bike.
You want to go for a ride?
Are you serious?
Right now, I don't have another helmet with me, so I don't have passenger pegs on this bike. But if I can get your number, take it for a ride another time.
Jeez, oh my God.
Hey, that works. It's doing something. My heart just stops.
Oh, please don't. I really don't want to have to use CPR for the first time. CPR on someone, and I'm kind of scared too. Really scared.
Well, just in the off chance that we do crash, I'll keep it in mind. Oh no, dude!
Uh-oh.
Oh my God, I just realized that. Is everyone okay? Okay.
A car can be replaced. A car can be replaced. A car can be replaced.
You guys saw what happened. I appreciate you guys.
Learn from him, guys. How to catch a girl in your trap.
Did you just pay for $10?
I did, and I put on the wrong one, but
Yeah.
you can have it.
No, I won't even take that much, so.
Okay, well, you can fill yours up and then.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you're good.
I'm not, I feel so bad.
But I wasn't, but it's okay.
Okay, well, do you want to just pull over here, and then you can just take whatever is here?
That's all yours takes?
Yeah, it wasn't super empty, so.
Dang, how long have you had your bike?
I've had it for like 2 years probably.
Nice.
Yeah. I do like all the stunt riding stuff like that. So I'm all wheelies and all that crazy stuff.
Do you have like a bunch of friends you ride with? Or
Yeah. Yeah, I usually ride in a big group.
do you guys do like YouTube and stuff?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. I do Instagram and all that.
What is your YouTube?
It's Will on One Wheel.
Will on one wheel?
Yeah, my name's Will and I'm always on one wheel, so.
That's awesome. Does your YouTube pay or
No, I wish. I've only been doing the YouTube thing for like probably 6 or 7 months, so
Okay.
I only have like 200 subscribers. You have to have like all kinds of, like, I think you have to have like 10,000 subscribers or like 1,000 subscribers and then like X amount of like watch hours within a year. So it's a goal, but I mean, I'll get there one day, hopefully.
Yes, bro, the pain is relevant. I also have just 0 subscribers. Whoever subscribed my channel will always be happy. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe. This is when a snowboarder saw a man buried in snow.
You alright? Come on. Come on. Hold on, I'm coming. Hey, you alright? Can you hear me? Come on. Come on, help me out. Help me out here. You okay? You alright? Okay, you're good. You're good, I got you. You okay? Can you breathe?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Alright. We're both gonna catch our breath for a sec. I'm gonna help dig you out, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, man. You're good. Oh. Alright. Get a little more snow away from your mouth. Okay. All right. Okay, you all right?
I'm good.
Okay. I'm gonna back up for a second, get my shovel out, okay?
Thank you.
You're good, man, you're good. Holy oh. Oh my God. All right, how you doing? You good?
I'm good.
Okay, good. We'll get you out of here in a sec, okay?
The both of the men become best friends after that incident.
Yeah, dude.
Now, the last video that you are waiting for. This video is from Mad Maxi, when his friend had a bad accident.
Are you okay? Easy run! You okay? Hell, Rad, are you okay? I'm done. Oh! Please tell me you're okay.
Yesterday, my best friend Dimebag was taken from us in a tragic hit-and-run motorcycle accident. It's heartbreaking. Rest in peace, Dimebag. Love you, man.
It means nothing to me. It means nothing. It means nothing. Hey, it means nothing to me. It means nothing to me. It means nothing to me. That is not good. Oh, rad.
Watch the full video, that link in the description. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked that video, so don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, guys. Do you ever kind of face a situation like that? Please subscribe. Hasta la vista.